Good morning, dear children. Today we start here exercise 6D. This is the first video of this exercise, and the question number first is add. Here we add. Today we add 8.3, comma 5.6. Today I know how we add to the decimal number. So dear children, question number first is add. So first we write the 8.3 plus 5.6. We write in the column. So 8.3. Then we write here 5.6. Okay. Now this is written in the ones place, so we write here in the ones place, and this is written in the tenth place, so we write here in the tenth place. And in the addition we put the decimal under the decimal, means decimal to decimal. decimal को बिल्कुल एक लाइन उसके नीचे हम decimal को लिख के लगाते हैं. ठीक. now 639.85 30.90 is your answer. Now question number third is 0.017, comma, and second number is 0.032. now so first we write here in the column 0.017 and 0.03 and 2. Now add. We write here in the column. When we write here in the column, then first we write this is in the 10th place after decimal. This is the 10th place. This is 100th place, and this is the 1000th place. So we write here 1000th, 10th, and 10th, 100th, and 1000th. Now 729, 314, and 0.0. Okay, this is your answer. Now the last question is question number 5. Question number 5. 9.3142, 11.0013, and 25.03 and 28.5 and 28.5. Now here how many numbers? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first we write here in the column 9.3142. Now next question, point 11, 1, and this is 1's place and this is the 10th place. So we write here this is 1's place, so we write here 1 and then 9, and here we write here the 1. Now 0, 0, 1, 3. Now next 25.0. Now 25 point. This is 10th place, so this is the 10th place, so we write here 0, and this is the 100th place, so we write here this here, not here. 28.5, so 28.5. 5 is, we write here 5. Okay, now then we do not write here. Why? Because this is in the 10th place. 5 is after decimal, only one decimal place. So this is in the 10th place, so we write here in the under 10th place. 10th, 100th, 1000th, 10,000. Okay. Now you can write here also 0. You can write here because this is a like decimal number. Now 32, 5, 41, 5, 31, 4, 5, 3, 8. Okay, 9, 1, 10, 10, 8, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 3 carry 2. 2, 2, 4. 4, 1, 5. 5 carry 2, 7. 73.845 and 5. Okay? Okay? Now the question number first is completed. Now the question number second. So the question number second is subtract. Subtract. Here 7.23. First question 7.23 from 9.7. 9.75. From means we subtract this number from this number. Okay. Now 9.75 minus 7.24. Now 5 minus 4 equal 1. 7 minus 2 equal 5. And 9 minus 7 equal 2. Okay. Now the question number third, 13.73. 13.73 from 64.08. 64.08. Now 64.08 and minus 13 minus 7, 3. Now 8 minus 3 equal 5. 10. Now 0 is here. So we take the carry from 4. So this is 10 and this is a 3. Now 10 minus 7 equal 3. Put here the decimal. Then 3 minus 3 equal 0 and 6 minus 1 equal 5. Your answer is 50.35. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 1.0453 from 3.81. 3.81. So we write here 3.81. Now minus 1 in ones place, so we write here ones. 0.040453. Now minus. Here this is the unlike decimal, so we make the like decimal. How we make the like decimal? Means all after decimal, all digits are equal. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, but here only 2 digits. So we increase here 3, we increase here 2, 0. Okay. So this is a like decimal. So now minus 10 minus 3 equal, take the carry number. 10 minus 3 equal 7. 9 minus 5 equal 4. And 0. So 10 minus 4 equal 6. This is 7 decimal. And 3 minus 1 equal 2. This is your answer. Okay. Now the question number 2 is also completed. Now the question number 13. Question number 3 is simplify. Very simple question. This is simplify. So question number 3, first question is 6 minus 0.4 minus 0.87 minus 0.03. So you can solve by the this is a simplify. You can write this type also. 6 in the column, 6 minus 0.4 then you subtract here 10 minus 4 equals 6 and 5, then you can write here 5.6 this type. ओके, आप इसको कॉलम में लेके सबट्रैक्ट करें और उसके बाद आप यहाँ ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. ओके, now so 6 minus 0.4 we subtract here 6.0 here. Why we put the decimal? Because here decimal is not here. So this number and this number is an unlike decimal. Unlike decimal, so we make the like decimal. We make the like decimal. इस यहाँ पे like decimal हमने बनाया. या इसमें decimal है, 10th प्लेस में है तो हमने 10th प्लेस में लिखा. बट इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए कोई नंबर नहीं है तो आप इसमें decimal लगा के 0 लगा सकते हैं. Then 10 minus 4 equals 6 and this is 5.6. Now minus 0.87 minus 0.03. Okay. Now here also 5.6.87. We subtract here. Now 10 minus 7 equal 3. 15. 3 minus 8 equal 7. And decimal and here 4. So we write here 4.73. Okay. Now next number is 0.03. Now subtract 3 minus 10th and 10th place. So 3 minus 3 equal 0. Here 7 minus 0 equal 7 and here 4. This is your answer. Okay. Now the next question number second is 1.01 minus 0.1 minus 0.001 minus 10, sorry, plus 10. Plus 10, yes. Now, so dear children, first we subtract this number, or you can also add this to this number, but the sign of this number is minus, so plus minus minus. So dear children, we solve this number to this number, so this is in the 10th place and 100th place, and this is in the 10th place. So 100th place, so we write here 1. Here 9, 10 minus 1 equal 9 and here 0. Okay. Now you can also this time solve this time 0.1 and 0.1 this time. So 1, 10 minus 1 equal 9 and 1 is 0, 91. Your answer is 0.91. Now minus 0.001 plus 10. Now, so first we subtract this number to this number. So 0.91 minus 0.001. So now 10 minus 1 equal 9 and here 0 and here 9, decimal 0. So we write here 0.909 plus 10 plus 10. Your answer is 10.909. Okay. Now question number, next question number 4. 105.07 minus 12.04 minus 19.58 minus 40.87. So dear children, first we subtract this number to this number. So 7 minus 4 equal 3 and 0 minus 0 equal 0, decimal. Now 5 minus 2 equal 3 and here 10 minus 1 equal 9. Equal your number. Next number is 19.58 minus 40.87. Now 93. Now next number 30 minus 8 equal 5, and this is 9 minus 5 equal 4. 12 minus 9 equal 3, and 8 minus 1 equal 7. Now next number is 40.87. Now 15 minus 7 equal 8, and 13 minus 8 equal 5 decimal, and yes, 2 minus 0 equal 2, and 7 minus 4 equal 3. 32.58. Okay, dear children. So question number 3 is completed. Now the third question number 4th I will tell you in the next video. If you have any doubt, then you ask me. आप मेरे से पूछ सकते हैं, कॉल करके भी आप पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.